This is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, met with Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on the sidelines of the Derby horse race at Epsom Downs racetrack over in the UK. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai, was also present. The two parties exchanged insights on the strong UAE-UK relations and also shared their views on some of the horses at the festival that had come in from across the world. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed also highlighted the UAE's intent on participating in the internationally renowned UK horse races and equestrian sports, which attract riders and teams from around the world, as well as contribute to the exchange of expertise and knowledge regarding a better future for horse racing. During their meeting, Queen Elizabeth praised His Highness Sheikh Mohammed's role in supporting British equestrian sports through a strong participation in meetings related to races in the UK and around the world, especially the English Derby. At the International Labour Conference currently being held over in Geneva, the UAE laid out its experience in ensuring that workers' wages are protected through an integrated system, ensuring that workers receive wages on time. Humaid bin Dimas Al Suwaidi, the Assistant Undersecretary of the Ministry for Labour Affairs, briefed the Labour Protection Committee meeting about a number of integrated measures, including making it compulsory for private sector enterprises to transfer wages electronically through the wages protection system, both on time and without any deductions. Al Suwaidi stated that the system provides the Ministry of Labour with an updated database, which allows them to identify, with immediate effect, the enterprises that do not pay wages. The experts dispatched by the ILO to the UAE to assess the effectiveness of the WPS have also recommended that the system should be implemented by the member states. Al Suwaidi added that the Ministry of Labour refers firms who fail to pay the wages for more than 2 months to the courts, which results in fines and other administrative actions. Citizens and residents of Dubai can look forward to a single username and password to access all government services on a unified platform by the end of this year. That's according to the CEO of the Etisalat Group during his speech at the Smart Cities Forum today. Representatives of government entities and from the IT industry gathered at the one-day forum, which discussed strategies on developing a smart city infrastructure. Being held under the theme, Bringing Smart City to Life, speakers during the forum stated that a smart city should be focused completely on achieving citizens' happiness and welfare, enabled through the use of technology. During the keynote address, His Excellency Ahmed Julfer, the CEO of the Etisalat Group, stressed that the ambitions of making the Emirate the smartest city in the world should foster entrepreneurship by empowering the youth to be leaders of innovation. One of the current challenges that was discussed, including increasing the public's accessibility of smart applications, while also offering a convenience through a unified platform.
75% or more than 75% of people in the UAE have smartphones. So there is a service which is called mobile identity, which is using your mobile phone as your digital identity for the cyberspace. Now, that has many additional features and benefits. For example, you don't have to have multiple of usernames and passwords to use for different applications or different websites. You only need the single one, so you only have to memorize this one. The other benefit, you don't have to store your data with some people. You don't know where they store the data and what do they do with it. You need to store it locally. You need to store it with a trusted partner. And this is the proposition which we are offering.
According to organisers, the forum looked to share best practices and also gave an opportunity to learn from experiences of the Spanish city of Cantabria, While outlining the city's strategy, Dr. Luis Munoz highlighted that a smart city requires a holistic approach from all stakeholders to provide integrated and relevant services to citizens. It was further added that the government should enlarge their experimental facilities to support innovation and analyse the services offered.
Even before these technical decisions, I would say that to prioritize, right? So which are the services more demanded by the citizens in terms to be improved? And then the municipality, which has a holistic vision on which is the situation of the city, which are the needs, then takes, let's say, the responsibility for driving to us, the ICT guys, in the direction for fulfilling the requirements of the citizens. So the idea is, I would say, from the academia perspective, we come with the foundations in the sense that which is the technology, which is available for doing what, and then the municipality, which the holistic view of the needs of the city, prioritizes which are, let's say, the services to be first covered by the technology, aiming at increasing, let's say, this happiness of the citizen.
The Dubai Health Authority has issued clear regulations for licensing visiting doctors to ensure patients in Dubai have access to highly qualified international health professionals. The guidelines are applicable for all health facilities in Dubai, excluding Dubai Healthcare City. Facilities in Dubai that want to invite visiting doctors will have to prove that a doctor of the same speciality is already working in the facility. A doctor of the same speciality will have to accompany the visiting doctor, understand the case management plan, and will have to provide follow-up care once the visiting doctor goes back to his country of practice. Additionally, only hospitals, daycare surgery centres, dental clinics, polyclinics and specialty clinics may host a visiting physician. Healthcare facilities must submit an online application, including a good standing certificate that is valid for 6 months. The maximum number of times a licence can be renewed is 3 times in 1 year, and the maximum duration for every visit is 1 month. Only physicians who have a certain number of years of experience and have a super specialisation will be given fast-track licences. It was also revealed that the UAE is lagging behind in the number of nurses and midwives working in the country. That's according to the World Health Organization's 2015 World Statistics Report. The report found that there are 31 nursing and midwife personnel for every 100,000 population. That's compared to 88 per 100,000 over in the UK, 114 in Germany, and 173 in Switzerland. In the GCC, Kuwait has 45 per 100,000, Saudi Arabia has 48, Oman 53, and Qatar 118. Only Bahrain has fewer than the UAE with 23. Some health experts were quoted as saying that this is due to an outdated view of the career, poor pay and long working hours, and that in order to overcome this, a more promising career development and competitive wages are needed. The annual social and cultural campaign, Ramadan in Dubai, now in its 5th successive edition, is set to further enhance the Emirates' position as a year-round family tourism destination through a lineup of unique offerings. Organised by the Dubai Festivals and Retail Establishment, Ramadan in Dubai is set to start on the 19th of June and will give residents and visitors the opportunity to experience and understand the uniqueness of the holy month of Ramadan through numerous cultural, community and family-oriented events based on Islamic values, tradition and culture. According to a statement, the event is part of the wider Dubai summer calendar drawn up by the DFRE and is aimed at showcasing the Emirate as a top family tourism destination during the summer. It is also an opportunity to promote cross-cultural understanding and enlighten people from non-Muslim communities on the Islamic faith, providing valuable insights into the holy month of reflection and self-restraint. Layla Mohammed Suhail, the CEO of the DFRE, stated that they have focused on ensuring a wide audience through the Dubai International Holy Quran Award, the Dubai Ramadan Forum, Ramadan Tents and the Ramadan Night Market, as well as Modesh World 2015, along with many other promotions and activities. And finally, looking to other news now, UAE shipbuilder Gulfcraft unveiled its super yacht, the Majesty 155, on Saturday, which is the company's largest ever flybridge motor super yacht, along with sophisticated luxury and comfort in both style and functionality. The 155-foot mega yacht boasts a fountain on the sun deck, surrounded by a spacious seating area, a jacuzzi on the upper deck, and even a waterfall. There is also a cigar lounge with a ceiling created from cigar leaves, a beach club at the rear entrance, as well as an elevator. There is even a custom-made television that can withstand any type of weather. The twin engines can also cover a range of over 4,000 nautical miles, with an approximate maximum speed of 16 knots. Mohammed Hussein Al-Shali, the chairman of Gulfcraft, stated that the Majesty 155 has further pushed them as a company, creating even higher expectations from their customers. He added that the UAE makes it possible for them to further expand within an increasingly competitive industry, as well as establish the UAE as a global player in the maritime industry and leisure marine sector. The CEO of the company went on to say that the Majesty 155 was created to provide a truly deluxe experience that has never been seen before.
The UAE has always been very fond of yachting, and we see an increasing interest in ever luxurious, more luxurious and bigger yachts. And so we are confident that we will grow with this market and their interest in luxury yachting. We saw two individual trends. We saw the fact that people are buying ever larger and more luxurious yachts, of which the Majesty 155 is a clear example. And secondly, we saw also an opportunity in people looking for more fuel-efficient and long-range cruising yachts. And that's why we even introduced an entirely new series, the Nomad yachts, 3 months ago. Our clientele is from all over the world, but we have, of course, still a strong support group here in the Middle East, from where we originally started, and we see them growing with us. Southeast Asia is a strongly developing market for us, and Europe is our third largest group of people interested in our yachts.